What's going on guys, this is me Mehdi Shakil here and you are watching my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial. So guys, today in this video I am going to review this Chinese branded webcam and also I am going to compare this webcam with my branded Logitech C270 webcam which I am using from last 5 years. So guys, without talking too much, let's get started. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe my YouTube channel SS Tech Tutorial and stay connected with my channel. In this pandemic situation, webcam prices are getting higher because now people are buying webcams for work from home and for online education. And because of that, some computer shop trying to get double of the price for this webcam. Let me mention it first that those webcam what I am showing you on this video comes only under $50 US. But if you try to get this webcam from local shop in India or Bangladesh, then they will ask you double of the price. So be careful if you want to buy webcam in this pandemic situation. Into the box you will only get the webcam. There is no user manual or driver disc or comes with this Chinese brand webcam. One thing I want to mention again that all of these Habit webcam design are fully copied from Logitech webcams. Now let's get into the detailed spec of these webcams. This one is Habit HV12G model. This webcam comes in 1920 1080p Full HD resolution with 30 fps and no autofocus. Also it has built-in microphone here which can capture sound within 5 meters. And this webcam support USB 2.0 that directly connect with your Windows or Linux operating system without installing any kinds of driver for it. The body of this webcam made with good quality plastic and its flexible head rotation will help you to adjust your webcam angle. Now this one is Habit HV02G model. This webcam comes with 1080 x 720p HD resolution with 30 fps and no autofocus. It also comes with built-in microphone. Here you will get two indicators, one for power LED and another for camera on live. And it also supports USB 2.0 that directly connect with Windows and Linux operating system without installing any drivers. The body of this webcam also made with the same quality plastic and its flexible head rotation will help you to adjust your webcam angle. And guys, this is my Logitech C270 webcam which I am using from last 5 years and it is still giving good output. I connect 3 of the webcams and recorded 3 sample videos using those webcams so that you can get the difference between those webcams. Now let's see the sample video footage. Now I hope that you get the difference between the webcam video quality. If you ask me to rank those webcams serially, then I'll suggest you to go for Logitech C270, then HV02G and then HV12G. So guys, that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. If you really like this video and enjoyed this video, then please give it a big thumbs up and share this video with a friend. And if you're new on my channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get all the latest upcoming video tutorial notification. I'm Mehdi Shakil, you are watching this tech tutorial and I'm signing out.